So after 15 years of dominating the league, it's really only one way to celebrate your birthday. Alright, what's up guys? Once again, it's your boy Earl the Pearl. We're at 47 Howard Street, Stadium Goods, and today I got a few really nice shoes for you to commemorate LeBron's birthday, December 30th, if you don't know. So this was a collaboration between LeBron and KITH. As you can see here on the box, lots of detail went into this. This is a very nice shoe, so I'm gonna pull out the first of the three. All right, so first up, we have the LeBron 15 KITH collaboration. This one is the sports performance pair. So as you can see, full fly knit upper throughout. This pair comes with laces. I don't know if you guys seen the Christmas game, but LeBron did wear these during Christmas. The rolls on the zipper. KITH and LeBron logos on the back. The pull tab is actually suede, I believe, also. As you see in the midsole, cream white. Clear outsole with the hexagonal pods. It's like all 15s. Then the rose gold swoosh on the back. Gonna pull out both pairs so you can see the back of the shoe. Of course, here's the front. All fire. Also, a few things that these shoes come with. Extra set of laces with the pink with the rose gold tips. Very nice hit. You can mix and match, do a lot of different things. With that being said, I'm gonna get into the next pair since there are three in this collection. Same box. With this pair, this is the lifestyle pair in the concrete colorway. As you can see, also sports full fly knit throughout the upper. The difference between the lifestyle pairs and the sports performance pairs is these come with the dynamic straps instead of laces. It actually comes with 3 straps. So 2 full-length straps, 1 mid-length strap. As you can see, the one that's on the shoe is the Long Live the King full-length strap. I'm gonna go reach into the box, grab the other pairs, grab the other straps. This would be the mid-length strap right here that also sports the Long Live the King logo throughout. The full-length KITH dynamic strap, so you can be strapped in. Then the instructional guide to show you how to actually strap in your shoes and all that. Pull out the second pair for you guys, so you can see them next to each other. So as you can see, full concrete scheme, fly knit throughout the upper, black 15 bottom. In the back, instead of having the swoosh like the sports performance pairs, it has the LeBron James logo, also with KITH inside of it. Pretty fire shoe here. And then now let's get into the third pair of the collection. Shoe. So as you can see, once again with the flourishes, LeBron logo with the KITH on the inside. Really nice hit to it. These did release at the end of the year on December 30th. We have them here at Stadium Goods. So for this, I'm just gonna pull out the first shoe. As you can see, they call this the stained glass colorway upper. Different reds, blues, grays. Very nice fly knit upper on this shoe. Once again, Long Live the King throughout the dynamic strap. This would be the full length strap on this. It's a zipper on the side as opposed to going down the middle of the shoe on the sports performance pair. Once again on the back, LeBron James logo with the KITH. And the clear outsole, the hexagonal patterns for traction, stability, all that good stuff. So with this shoe, you get also 2 full-length straps, 1 half-length strap, but the 2 straps that this comes with are both KITH logo straps. So there's one green and gold colorway, and then also the next full-length strap would be a blue colorway to go with all the little prime knit patterns and stitching inside the prime knit. So as you can see, both shoes head on. This right here is a fire pair of LeBrons. Really can't go wrong. My favorite pair. Concrete colorway. Also, rose gold sports performance colorway. So here you have all three pairs. LeBron James 15 KITH collaboration, sports performance, 2 lifestyles pairs, all 3 great shoes. We have them all here at Stadium Goods. Check us out on stadiumgoods.com, all social media at Stadium Goods. I'm Earl the Pearl, and I'm out, guys. Peace.